have you got any threatening people in your life that are potentially causing you harm, either physically or psychically, that you would like to bind? Hi, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com, and if you are new to this channel and you want to learn how to be a witch or a Wiccan, hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss anything. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect yourself from people who are a real potential threat to you. So they're either throwing magic your way that may be harmful to you, or they are some sort of physical threat or a threat to your livelihood in some way that is quite serious. I'm going to show you how to bind them with a really simple envelope binding spell. So for this spell, these are the things you need. You need an envelope. You can even paint the envelope black if you really want to get into it, but envelope in whatever color it comes is fine, either the white envelopes or paint it black. A blank piece of paper, a black pen, and some herbs. The herbs I have here are rosemary. So the rosemary is for protection and also purification. There's salt for purification and cleansing. There is clove for protection, and pepper to ward off and to repel. So the first thing I'm going to do is charge up the herbs, cleanse and purify them so that they are ready to use in the spell. I cleanse and purify these herbs so that they may be fit to serve me in my work. Now that we've done that, we're going to bind the person, or it may even be more than one person that you're binding. It's helpful to know their name and to have something that links you to them, physically speaking. So you're bringing it down into the physical. Whether it's something that belongs to them or something they've worn. It may be a business card or something of theirs. If you don't have that, don't stress out. As long as you've got their name, that's all you need. But it is good to have something that links you to them. Now this spell, you're not going to harm them in any way. All you're doing is stopping them, putting a barrier up between you and them and stopping them from being able to harm you. So write down their initials. So if you know what their name is, write down their initials in the middle of your piece of paper. So I'm just going to write TP, which is the person. That's what it stands for. So it's no one in particular. The TP stands for the person. But in your case, you will write down the initial for the first name and the initial for their last name. Then I'm going to draw 3 circles around the name, and as I'm drawing the circles, I'm starting to feel that there is relief from their threat. So I'm feeling safe with each circle that I draw, and also that there's a boundary now that's going up between me and that person. And that's what you need to be feeling while you're drawing the circles around them. So we're going to draw the first circle. With these circles 3, I bind thee. Then you're going to do another circle around this circle. With these circles 3, I bind thee. So you've got 2 circles there now. And at the third circle, with these circles 3, I bind thee. And you can say their name after you say, with these circles 3, I bind these, the person. Once you've done that, and you're starting to feel that separation between you and them, that distance and them not being able to harm you anymore, the barriers are starting to go up, you're going to sprinkle the herbs onto your paper. And as you do so, you're going to say, clove to ward off all negativity, rosemary to protect and cleanse, salt to protect, and pepper to repel. This I bring to pass, as I do will, so mote it be. Fold the paper over. Pop it in your envelope. Now you may also want to protect, cleanse and purify your envelope as well. So between the palms of your hand, I cleanse and purify this envelope so that it may be fit to serve me in my work. Pop everything, ingredients included. Now if you have an object of theirs to link you to them, or even a photograph, stick that in there as well. And seal the envelope. And now they are bound. So as you seal the envelope, you are bound. What to do with your envelope now? There's a few different things you can do with your envelope. You can stick it in the freezer and freeze it. You can put it at the back of a drawer somewhere so that you may forget about it. You can put it in a spell box that you have especially for binding spells or anything that you need to magic that you need to keep and not dispose of. With the bind, it's important not to dispose of it because you don't want it to become, you don't want it to be torn or unsealed or ripped apart or broken in any way, because if that happens then the bind is released and they're no longer bound. So you're wanting to keep it somewhere safe where it can't get hurt and nobody can rip it up and it can't get thrown out. And that is how you do an envelope bind. If you're ready to start formal training as a witch or a Wiccan and you just don't know where to start because there's just so much information out there and there's also a lot of processes to learn and to get through, and you're looking for some guidance and also a group of like-minded people, I have a 12-month membership program for newbie witches, those who are new to witchcraft and Wicca, to jump in and start at any time. The details about that course are in the description field below. It is an online course, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. It doesn't matter if you're in the Northern Hemisphere or the Southern Hemisphere, because I cater for both hemispheres in my course. And check it out in the description field below. Otherwise, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know how you go with this spell. Let me know how it works out for you. Okay, I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. I'll see you in the next video.